Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you my exercise this morning, and this is full body exercise downward pose. Let's do this. So estimate ko lang siya guys. You can do this 100 times a day. So estimate ko lang. Madulas kasi ito lang. Hindi ba?